The whole concept of district energy is creating a central plant, delivering energy through a system of pipes throughout the city so that buildings can focus on the building aspect versus creating boilers, furnaces individually for those buildings. I mean, that takes more than just a furnace or a boiler. You need space, insurance, people. You still have to buy natural gas. You have to have licensed operators on site. Plus you assume all the risk. By offloading that all to Detroit Thermal, which is our core business, it allows those buildings not to have to do that.
Here at Detroit Thermal, we have 6 boilers capable of producing a total of 2.2 million pounds an hour of steam. The steam we produce here is distributed into different feeders throughout the system and supplies steam to the downtown area, the medical center area, pretty much the whole Metro Detroit area.
Basically, we start at the river and go up Woodward to the New Center area up as far as Henry Ford Hospital and then that back down 75. So it's a big oval.
So we got 38 miles of pipe, underground pipe in the city.
I suspect back in the 20s and 30s when district heating, the concept was built in Detroit, it basically served as many people that had access to our main system. In those days, there were probably some homes, but as the system evolved, you know, technology enabled homes to get their own small furnaces, made it a little bit more efficient. We focused on the large buildings and the new construction in Detroit. We serve 145 buildings in Detroit, major buildings, providing district energy in the form of steam heat or hot water. The DMC is our largest customer. We also serve Henry Ford Hospital. We serve the entire Renaissance Center. We serve Cobo Field, Ford Field. Olympia Entertainment's our customer. Penobscot Building, First National, Henry the Hatter, the Checker Bar and Grill. I mean, so these are all important customers to us. And as they grow, we'll grow.
These boilers, when they're firing at their maximum, they can produce 2.2 million pounds of steam per hour. Our normal system load in the coldest day in the winter last year was 860,000 pounds an hour, and we were getting 500 of that from the resource facility. So when you look at the 500 we get from them, if we had to fire everything here and there, we could produce almost 3 million pounds of steam per hour.
So providing, when companies move into Detroit and they're close to this 39 miles of pipe, it makes a lot of sense for them to access our energy. So we have tons of capacity.